Every reporting season, it's the same. One funder wants IRIS Plus, another wants the SDGs. Your board wants your own story. Brussels wants ESRS, same program, same people. 4 completely different spreadsheets, built by hand, from scratch. Again. And the problem isn't the work, it's that nobody wrote down what the words mean. What counts as enrolled? Who counts as a participant? 3 people, 3 answers, 3 numbers. So make one move. Define every measure once. Population, unit, time period, who's in, who's out, that's your data dictionary. And it's the whole game. Think of an index fund. You hold one portfolio, then slice it into 100 different statements. Same holdings, different views. Your data works the same way. One definition, many destinations. Female trainees becomes IRIS plus P I8330. It rolls into SDG 5. Same source field, 0 retyping, and when it doesn't fit cleanly, you get told, exact match. Close, but different population. Honest labels beat a tidy table that quietly overstates. Define once. Report everywhere. From one dictionary, it stops being a rebuild and becomes a review. One dictionary. Every framework, every funder, Sopact.